So guys, na-send na from the laptop yung picture na gustong ipa-develop ni ma'am. Nakuha na ng computer natin, so we go to start. And then, dahil Bluetooth natin siya sinend, we will select this button kung saan may Bluetooth sign. Yan. So all we have to do is hanapin natin yung picture na sinend natin kanina, which is this one. Okay. So, na-select na natin siya. What we have to do is go to the next step, which is here. So if we want to do some editing or whatever, you want to change the contrast, the brightness, or anything like that. So more or less, okay na naman si ma'am. Ma'am, okay na kayo sa contrast and brightness niya. Akalain mong nandun ako, tsaka nandyan si Chal. At meron kaming mystery girl number 1, kung sino yung nasa likod. So what we have to do is we select the print if we are ready to print, or we select the size first. So, ang mga choices natin, 3R, 3R wallet size, 4R, and 4R wallet size.
Pag 3R po.
Gusto ko siya 3R wallet size.
Kailangan po, 2 copies siya, even number.
2 copies. So, 2 copies siyang ganyan. So, we're ready to print, Miss Daisy? We are ready to print. From my understanding, we will wait for 30 seconds,
30
right?
seconds.
So guys, I believe lumabas na ang ating picture after all the steps na pinuntahan natin. So ito na siya ngayon. Ma'am, ito na ang picture nyo. Napakaganda yung picture at napaka-pogi nung lalaki na nandyan.
Ano to?
Ma'am, speaking of magkano nga ba ang print na in-avail ni dito? Ating customer?
Only 6 pesos po. 3 pesos kasi wallet size.
6 pesos lang yun.
Yes, 6 pesos lang.
Dahil I'm feeling big time for tonight. Ma'am, ako na. Sagot ko na yan. Huwag niyo nang bayaran. It's on the house.
Thank you.
Okay? So, nakita niyo naman guys, another business venture na inahatid namin sa inyo dito lang sa Go Negosyo Big Time. Okay, 100% convinced na ako. I want to start a photography business. Pero what's next?
Simple. You will need to decide on what you need and any extra necessary equipment that will help you set up your infrastructure. You will need to consider carefully your main tool, the camera, whether it be digital or film.
Hindi lang siguro yan, Chal. You must also carefully consider a high-quality PC and a good relevant photo software so that you can manipulate your photographs with special effects.
And if the business being undertaken is on a massive scale, then maybe a developing lab should be planned and established.
Tama! A Photoshop that offers all state-of-the-art digital photo services. A one-stop Photoshop.
Nandito ako ngayon sa Tronix para alamin yung the other side of the photo business, which is of course, taking pictures in a studio. How does it all work? And kasama ko si Miss Lexi. Hi, Miss Lexi. Pwede ba akong magpa-picture?
Sure.
Ito ba yung studio niyo? Studio 1? Nandito na tayo sa loob ng photo studio number 1. And as you can see, may konting setup ang kailangan sa pagtitake ng pictures within a studio. For example, yung lights. Ayan. May umbrella pa siya. And of course, kailangan din ng space, as you can see, para for the photographer and the subject. And speaking about subject, the subject will be placed behind different backgrounds. As you can see, iba-ibang color. Pero ako, personally, I like this studio color. And meron din silang konting mga stands. Siguro for now, mag-ID ako kasi kailangan ko ng ID sa big time.
Usually, ma'am, we have 2 shots tapos para makapamili po kayo.
For my ID picture, and go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So the first ID picture is this, big time na big time. Ano po yung isa?
This one.
Yan, mas seryoso yan. Sige, so,
Ito na ba?
yan na lang, yan na lang.
And we're done doing our studio picture. Ngayon naman, gagawa kami ng konting retouch. Diba, Miss Lexi?
Okay, tara na, let's go. Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa photo developing room. So, Miss Lexi, samahan niyo ako dito. At may nakita akong medyo interesting, okay? Parang nagbabago yung kulay ko. Ano ba yung ginagamit nating software dito?
Photoshop lang po yan. Tapos mayroong personal na program ang Tronix para doon sa mga sizes ng ID. Yes.
So, parang kailangan talaga ng computer na pag gumagawa ng photo business. Kasi, para saan ba yun? Yung mga programs, yung mga softwares, tsaka yung computer.
Para po sa mga sizes, kunyari sa size ng ID,
Okay.
yung mga different, yung 4R, 3R size, para lahat po doon, nandun na po lahat yung pag-print.
Paano naman kung gusto kong paputiin yung sarili ko dyan?
Usually, may mga commands po kasi kami.
Pwede rin. So, talagang almost any adjustments.
Yes,
Okay. Pwede patangusin mo rin yung ilong ko? Kaya rin ba yun? Pakita natin nag-change yung color. Makikita ba yun?
Ayun.
Kasalukuyan pong nililinis ang aking mga blemishes, kaya please don't watch. Finished product na lang. Okay. Please do their magic. Pwedeng i-rose cheeks ng konti. Okay. Tcharan! Hindi. Cheeks lang. Ayan. Tcharan! Di nyo malalaman kung ano yung itsura niya kanina. After product na lang. Wag before. So, Miss Lexi, pagkatapos natin gawin yung mga retouch, yung sizing, ano yung next step?
For printing na po
For
tayo.
printing na
Yes.
siya. Saan natin i-print yun?
Dito po.
Dito mismo sa printer. At saka, ano po yung hawak niyo
Ito
ba?
po yung
photo
photo
paper.
paper.
Diyan i-print, of course. Anong size to?
Yan po ay 4R.
So, it's actually good kasi nakakahintay kagad yung customers para sa pictures na gusto na i-print. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So ginawa niyo na rin siyang wallet size. So kahit 4 pictures in one, basta pareho pa rin yung size, same pa rin yung presyo niya. Right now, we are waiting for the next one to be printed, yung aking ID pic na magiging, anong tawag doon sa size na ganito?
4R.
4R pic na. At yan ang aking ID picture. Ready for our big time ID. So, 1, 2. Okay, so Miss Lexi, so far from what I've learned, ang kailangan talaga when doing a photo business, lalo na sa photo studio, don't forget the lights, syempre, yung camera, digital, and of course, background para makapagpili rin yung customers mo. And then, afterwards, don't forget your computer na may software wherein you can actually edit yung mga pictures and change the sizes. And of course, pinaka-importante, printer para makuha niyo ang napakagandang finished product katulad na lang neto, 'di ba? I'm a very satisfied customer. What can I say?
So, I believe we've got mail.
And I have it right here. Our letter is from
Arnold Palabriga.
Ayun. My Photoshop is doing okay. I've regular customers, I handle school pictures, managing irregular revenue. But my friends say my shop is getting left behind and sooner or later, I'd probably close the shop. Can you help me? Iko, can you help me daw?
Of course, we can help you, Arnold, no? Ano pang ginagawa ng Go Negosyo? Siyempre, para matulungan ka rin namin, watch this.
Meron pang yung iba, you can go additional. Yung mga photo retouching, yung mga photo restoration, yung mga napunit na litrato, yung mga BCD transfer. Pwede pang dagdagan yan ng mga small kwan. But I think the volume business pa rin would still be your photo printing at saka yung photo studio.
Once established, your photography business can also be diversified into many more fields.
Ano-ano nga ba ang iba't ibang niche and trends sa photography business?